Hair still around the neck, yes.
Welcome to Hair by Shonda TV, and in today's video I will be demonstrating a partial sew-in. This is my lovely client Joey. This is Joey's first time coming, and Joey was such a ball of fun. He told me he wanted me to just add a couple of bundles in his hair, and he wanted it to be long so he can swing it and fling it around. So I'm adding a little edge control on the top of his hair because he has very fine hair. We need to stiffen it up so I can grab it and make it pretty tight so it doesn't come loose. And I'm also using this braiding hair to help keep the braids together. So I'll be braiding the top of his hair in a beehive pattern, and then I'll sew on the net before I put the weave on. So now that I'm all finished braiding and I apply the weaving net, I'm going to get ready to add the bundles. I have 22 and 24 inch 613 color, but one of the bundles, I think the 24 inch bundle, I put a Wella 50 toner on it just to make the bundle a little shimmery white, like a white platinum kinda. I didn't leave it on long because I didn't want it to be gray, because Joey's colored hair that's on the top has touches of 613 with a little touch of platinum as well. I'm sewing these bundles really close together, almost on top of each other. Well, pretty much on top of each other, because Joey said he's about to be swinging his hair, honey, and we do not need any tracks to be showing.
That's so vicious right there, that little side look with the hair going, yeah. I'm about to kill y'all. On some shit, serving up look. Yes. Straight feeling myself now.
There you go, you better. So now I'm just adding a little foaming mousse to mold everything together. I really wanted to cut the shorter part to make it like faded out, but he said he's growing it out, so I didn't want to interrupt that. Look at his little man bun, y'all. I think that's so cute.
I'm just ready, like,
yeah.
You know.
This shit together.
Oh, I'm in love with this. Look at that. Just, oh. I really love this shit right now. I do. I'm like,
It's sexy.
girl, yeah. That's right, yeah. Girl, yes. Oh, serving sass right there with the hair still around the neck. Yes. I got this. I'm gonna get this. Yes. Oh, I'm liking that. Now I can really, I'm gonna have to just, yes. I'm loving that. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get my glasses on, shit. I'm telling you. Girl, I'm gonna just have to,
There you go. Okay.
Yes.